Today in this video, I will share Calamine Night Cream. You can apply Calamine lotion to help relieve the itching. You may be able to use Calamine lotion for acne. While it won't treat your acne, it may help dry out a pimple, if you use it as a spot treatment. 4. Oily skin. Calamine lotion, 1 teaspoon. Pinch of Fuller Earth Clay Powder. Aloe vera gel. Mix it well. Apply the cream all over your face. Leave it overnight. It absorbs excess oil and maintains good skin health. It makes your skin supple and youthful. It helps unclog clogged pores. For dull skin, Calamine lotion, 1 teaspoon. Pinch of turmeric. Aloe vera gel. Mix it well. Apply the cream all over your face. Leave it overnight. It reduces acne marks and dark spots. It makes skin soft and supple.